Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you are all doing very well. Welcome back to my new videos guys. So today's topic is how to lock Google Sheets with a password. Okay, so let's quickly start our video. First, you need to open your Google Sheets. I'll let you know after opening it. As much as warm people, you need to select it like this. Alright, after doing that, you will see the data option. Alright. Here, you have to click on data. After doing that, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called protect sheets and range. Okay, so you have to click on this. After selecting the color, here you need to select the range. Give your home and set the permission. Okay, so here you have to keep it as only you. You can also customize it. You have to keep it as only you, meaning no one else can make changes here. Okay, then click done here. Alright, so let's take another sheet. How will you protect the sheet? Alright, then go to data again, go to protected range. After going there, it's the same here. Set the permission here. After that, turn it to only you again. Okay, so in this way, you can protect your Google Sheets. So guys, if you are liking our video, then please like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.